This is an ABP Life podcast.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Bollywood Binge and Beyond. I am your host Niharika Nanda and once again मेरे साथ है एक known face, एक content creator, the pun queen of Instagram, Arushi Kapoor, aka Curl Muhi. Hi Arushi, welcome to Bollywood Binge and Beyond.
Hi, Niharika. Hi. This is so sudden.
It's okay,
Yeah.
that's fine. कोई नहीं, we'll reel into it.
Yes,
We'll reel
okay.
things into it. Okay, so what's up? क्या चल रहा है आजकल?
Oh, she's pretending as if we didn't have like
हाँ,
a
we
half an
always
hour
have this
conversation before this.
I have to. क्या करें? Part of the job description.
क्या चल रहा है? I have to restart.
थोड़ा आधा घंटा पीछे जाना पड़ेगा in the conversation.
Yeah. Where were we? Where were we? Yeah. So नहीं काफी कुछ चल रहा है. आजकल थोड़ा लाइफ में chill है, zen है, which is nice. I'm in a good zone. I'm also like because I mean I was in a very वो LinkedIn पे बोलते हैं ना fast paced environment. So
Right.
I was in that for a very long time. So I wanted to be in chill and zen environment.
Right,
Yeah,
right.
fast paced, high achieving नहीं करना था मुझे. Slow paced, low achieving, zen chill.
Zen chill,
All
I
of
know.
that. So yeah, I've been doing that for a while.
Right, you've been the first person to actually say कि things are chill, things are zen because nobody does.
Oh really?
Nobody does.
No, I have aspired for that. I worked hard towards it for a मतलब थोड़ा time तक जितना chill हो सके उतना मैं collect कर रही हूँ.
फिर
नहीं, मुझे chill चाहिए.
वापस भागना पड़ेगा
हाँ.
लेकिन अभी के लिए for a while
like take a step back.
Right.
Focus on
yourself and chill मारेंगे.
Yeah,
That's nice.
exactly.
That's nice. That is the vibe of our podcast also, so works well.
Oh nice.
So you are the pun queen of Instagram. अब starting में ही कोई pun ना मारा जाए तो मतलब मजा नहीं आएगा. Although मैं बहुत lame हूँ, just giving a disclaimer, but I'll try. I'm getting into the zone. So एक तो जो मतलब if you would like to पूरी situation से related कोई भी अगर आप एक pun आपके दिमाग में आए ऐसे, I know it's very on the spot, but okay, I'll give you a lead.
Okay.
We are living in a we are shooting in a red room तो मतलब red flag से तो वैसे ही हम attract होते रहते हैं. So I don't
Oh my
know,
god, I was not ready for this.
It's okay. You can take a moment.
No, ready.
Oh,
It was a fun. Yeah, come on,
shit.
keep up.
See, I told you.
Keep up.
I am a lame-o. I didn't get that. Okay. My bad. Anyway, taking it forward.
क्या यार, इसलिए मेरा fun waste हो गया.
So when did you actually start pondering on puns? कब हुआ ये?
From my बचपन.
So you like how did it happen? Like गाने सुन. I have seen all of your reels. गानों में भी you take out small things that can match whatever situation you are acting out. कैसे? Like how did it start?
I mean, I don't know. I've been doing it since forever. I've always been into words and wordplay and everything. मतलब थोड़ी सी crack तो थी मैं हमेशा. Now, by the way, okay, this will go into a little dark zone, but I was a year back, I was diagnosed with ADHD. So now I realize because ADHD brains, you think about too many things. So like, every time you're looking at one thing, you see it from 10 different angles. So I think that's the reason. So I'm thinking I have legit. It started as fun, but I think it's a legit mental issue now. Okay.
Is it though? Does it trouble you or all?
No,
good,
it's okay.
all sorted.
It's fine. I mean, yeah. Therapy ले रही हूँ. Take therapy, guys. It's
Take
great.
therapy.
Yeah.
Take therapy, guys.
Yeah.
PSA.
Yeah.
Mid conversation.
Mid तो नहीं, starting में ही हो गया.
Starting में ही हो गया.
Yeah, the graph of this conversation.
There is no graph actually. Haywire, but that's the fun part. That's the fun part. Okay. So you have also been a producer. You've also been an anchor yourself. So you've been on both the sides of the situation now. You've been behind the camera also and in front of it. So what is better? What do you enjoy more? क्या ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है? Being the star or being the head?
Obviously, being
The
star.
star.
Obviously, इतनी इज्जत मिलती है भाई. देखो, मुझे कॉफी दिया इन्होंने. And they gave in to my demands. And with sugar
She didn't
free,
have many
like,
demands. She was really nice. ऐसी कोई demands थी नहीं.
पर बहुत इज्जत मिलती है यार. It's so different. लोग तुमसे आगे पूछते हैं कि are you available? I'm like, why are you asking me? What? You are asking me? And they're like, okay, if you're not available, and I usually don't say no. Like I'm usually like हाँ ठीक है
Right.
मैं वेली हूँ आ जाऊँगी ठीक है. But otherwise I'm like कि देखो ये दिन पे तू थोड़ा difficult है. I can't. Sorry, we'll have to cancel. They're like no, we reschedule according to you. And I'm like according to me? For me? My dates? ऐसा भी होता है? So yeah, like I'm still not used to it. It's been about like my total work trajectory has gone on. It's spanned about 10 years. But in front of the camera, मतलब 5-6 साल हो गए इतने में. You should get used to it, but I'm not.
You're not.
I'm not. मैं घर पर कोई इज्जत नहीं करता था ना. अभी तक childhood trauma.
Every Indian child
Yeah, exactly.
ever.
So it takes some time to like get into that mode that
Exactly.
oh you have ijjat.
And when you used to be an anchor, I am a huge follower of yours. I've been watching all of your videos, and I remember you guys used to do these videos between, like a quiz competition between arts, commerce, and science students. So I am like a wholeheartedly arts student. So let's have an art to art.
Yes. I love it. It's contagious.
It is contagious. It is contagious. So यार ये क्या है? ये क्या लॉजिक है कि मतलब आर्ट्स वालों को इज्जत नहीं मिलती? मतलब क्यों नहीं मिलती यार?
राइट. आई थिंक वही इसी का ट्रॉमा में लेके चल रहा हूँ आज तक.
कि मतलब पहले एंड पता है द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट पहले तो ये लोग आर्ट्स ये साइंस वगैरह कॉमर्स वगैरह और ले लेते हैं एंड देन दे समहाउ हैव दिस इल्यूजन कि हमारी लाइफ आसान है. देन व्हेन वी एंड अप इन क्रिएटिव फील्ड्स देयर लाइक हम तो इतने बोरिंग जॉब्स में फंसे हुए हैं, तुम इतने मजे कर रहे हो. ये भी इल्यूजन ही है.
ये भी technically देखो लगती सबकी है. There's no two ways about it.
Right.
But it's just that I think I personally didn't have as much pressure. I guess.
Me too. Me neither.
मैं पढ़ाई में अच्छी भी थी तो my parents were like pretty okay with that aspect.
Like,
चलो ठीक है
कर लो, हो जाएगा.
ये हो जाएगा.
टेंशन नहीं है. पता नहीं क्यों इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं देते यार. कभी ना हिस्ट्री की 3 किताबें पढ़ के देखो फिर हम पूछेंगे.
और ऐसा डेट्स याद करने का
और
नहीं है
क्या?
उसमें बहुत सारा एनालिसिस लगता है, बहुत पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती है. एग्जैक्टली. इट्स नॉट जस्ट
तुम 5 मार्क के उसमें इतना सा न्यूमेरिकल करके आते हो ना, हम 5 मार्क के आंसर में 5 पेज लिख के आते हैं. देयर इज अ डिफरेंस.
Exactly. Of course, some of it is nonsense. We have to feel like that. That's how I passed DU. Okay. So
चिल्ला के खोल तो सारे रात. A lot of it is nonsense. बहुत लिखना पड़ता है.
Yeah. No, and so हमारे like in DU, were you in DU as well? No. Okay. So in DU, like, so I was in LSR, but a lot of like.
अरे बड़े लोग LSR.
That's what I'm saying. My parents were pretty chill that way. कि हाँ ये aspect में tension
नहीं है, हो जाएगा.
But generally also they were like pretty chill. After a point they were like हाँ ठीक है.
कर लो अपने आप.
We did okay in our first 10 years. This one can bring up herself.
Yeah, right. So, I think that is how it pretty much happened with me. Although even at 25 years of age I get scolded for coming late at home. वो डांट अभी भी पड़ती है.
Listen, I'm married. My mother still like if I don't call her for 2-3 days, she's like, you forgotten me? भूलियो मुझे? पराया कर दिया तुमने? Okay, and I kid you not. Okay, when I go to meet my parents, you should see the way they treat my dogs. I have never been treated with so much love. Never.
ये अलग ही existential crisis है भाई.
I'm like इतना प्यार मुझे दिया है कभी?
शर्म कर लो थोड़ी सी. Okay, now I'm double mind. I always had this, image in my head that once me and my sister we get married or we move out of the house, I'll get my parents a dog so that they have a project. Otherwise, they'll go all lazy.
Oh, you will
and
be replaced. You will if you do that. No, but see, my parents have always had. We've always had a dog. So, but then the moment I left, my parents got another dog. And then the parents had a dog and a cat. The cat I took with me. But now they got another dog and have 2 big dogs.
Oh,
so
God.
they have completely replaced me.
Now I'm very double minded. I'm not going to get my parents a dog because I don't want to be replaced.
No, it's like a nice thing for an empty nester. And I am an only child, so उसके लिए सही था. But पूरा ही मतलब ऐसे take over करने
Now I'm actually doubting my decision.
Yeah, like
we will be in touch. We'll be in touch regarding that.
I'll give you notes. I'll get back to you. Like she'll be calling me and telling me all this emotional blackmail कि तुमने call ही नहीं किया ये. And then on the she's like, अच्छा I'll call you back. I'm like, what happened? She's like, अरे ऐसा ही है मैं अभी बात करती हूँ.
Shift takes second shift.
Yeah,
Hello, what is happening?
But I'm I'm used to it now. मैं कौन है इज्जत से? I'm not used to इज्जत at all. This is why she keeps me grounded. My parents and my dog.
Even at this age, even after working for so long, it's like importance ही नहीं. छोड़ो. But वैसे how is like living with cats and dogs? Because I've never had a pet ever in my life. I mean, I have my cousins have had and मैं like उनके साथ मैंने पूरा खेला and everything. But how is a life with animals around?
Oh, I mean, I love it. I can't not live with them. I have always bachpan se. I've never not lived with an animal.
Right.
So it's nice. Cats also keep you grounded because they don't give a about you. Okay, they will remember you about 3 times in a day.
When they need food or when they need to go out. Yeah.
Exactly. They don't go out, so they're
Achha.
pretty low maintenance that way. So very good for a Noida apartment. So that's why I took it from my mother. Just stole him. Yeah.
But is it like since you've had both dogs and cats,
Yeah.
is there a difference? Like people say, no, that cats are cold, dogs are more homely. Is that the case?
Yeah. Arey bhai, if I'm petting my dog like this, okay, and I leave my hand, she'll just be like,
How
did
can
you
you leave
leave? Excuse me, is it something I did? And then my cat, if I'm petting him like this, he's like, हाँ बस हो गया 3
निकलो,
सेकंड
हो
दे
गया।
दिया and then he'll just push off. He'll be like, अरे भाई ज़्यादा 4 सेकंड दे दिया तुमने, you promised 2 seconds. That's the
Oh
difference.
God. So मतलब all the ये जो stereotypes जो बने हुए हैं वो fact है, factual level पे.
100%.
Okay, coming from an experienced cat and dog parent, I don't think there is a better experience for you to talk about this.
This is like my cat keeps me grounded and then my parents keep me grounded because of the dogs. The only people who give me izzat are my husband and my dogs.
Talking about your husband and your love story, you had a long relationship before and then you guys, got together. Very, unlikely in today's times of delusionships and situationships and whatnots. So, how has it been? How did you guys meet? How was everything?
Oh man, बहुत लंबा पॉडकास्ट होने वाला है ये.
कोई नहीं, हम शॉर्ट में कर लेंगे. That's fine.
So we dated for 10 years.
My
And then we've been married for about 5 years. So we've been,
15 years together.
yeah. Oh man. Okay, that's a lot.
Realizing on ABC Live podcast.
Oh shit. But I mean, there is not a single day when I wake up and I'm like, I regret being with this person. Never. Every day I'm like, every day when like he goes to work or I go to work or whatever, when I look forward to coming back. I think that's what you need. That's the spark that you need.
Even
in a
after
relationship.
15 years
Yeah.
of being together.
Yeah.
That's nice. And how did you guys meet?
So we met at an army party.
Oh.
Both our dads are in the army. And we met in Hyderabad. And it was a very boring love story that I had. Which is no opposition.
You know what?
Nothing.
ये सब ना these are all trinkets and stuff they fall out. मतलब कि इतना ऐसे मिले थे उतना मैटर नहीं करता. हर दिन तो भाई fireworks नहीं हो सकते ना. So
But
that is
speaking of fireworks, okay, this is interesting
Okay.
nugget.
Nice,
So
nice.
when we met, this is the first time we ever met, and I was in my boys are creeps ew wala phase. Okay, like I was 17.
every girl ever.
Yeah. So and I was coming. Delhi girls anyway are very like go away, boy. You know?
Right.
So first time I met him, like we met at a party. Like this was like random. And his dad was my dad's boss.
Oh.
At that time. So yeah, it was like a very strange dynamic also. Okay,
right.
so he sits with me and he's like, "Acha, what does your name mean?" I said, Arushi means sun rays. So he's like, oh, Krishanu means fire. So between you and me, all we need is a magnifying glass.
So puns की शुरुआत तो वहीं से हो
Yeah.
गई थी.
Anyone else would have been like, हाय मैं भाग रही हूँ
कितना
यहाँ से. But
कितना
I was
गंदा
just
जोक
like,
मारा है. You were impressed.
I was very impressed. Honestly, I didn't want to show it then, but I was like, अंदर से I was like, is he single?
मन में लज्जू फूटा. मतलब वो तो like वो puns वाला वो situation तो वहीं बन गया था एक second में.
So now I'm like, see now there is this whole thing of tan man dhan wala this thing
Right, the connection,
so we are like
association.
tan man dhan pan.
Oh.
Our connection is that.
That's a good one. That's a good one. So how is the tan, man, dhan and pan connection going?
Oh, very well. I think it's like, I mean, I don't want to overstate it, but it's very good. Yeah. I
Right.
mean, I recommend marriage to people who have been dating for a while. I
Again,
recommend it. I don't
not a
get-
very popular opinion.
Yeah, I recommend it. I know. Unless like you have to be 100% sure. Like we were 100% sure. And still like because I'm like my parents largely sometimes. My dad was also like at 27 my dad was like, are you sure? You're still young. I said, you still have some young. I'm like, thanks dad, that's pretty chill of you to say
Right.
that. But yeah, I am.
I mean, we live in India. 27 tak to
Yeah,
done,
you
dusted,
are-
babies, everything
you are
is done.
retired by that age in marriage market.
I know.
So yeah, it was
And it's been nice.
as well as
So
I like
for all these kiddos out there, which include me, who are falling in and out of love every day and falling in and out of situationships, and being in delusion and all delulu. Delulu.
I love that word.
Me too. So what is your advice to them? Some love advice. Love life के लिए कुछ tips.
Yeah, I would say be the cliche, but be friends with your partner. Yeah, be friends. Don't take yourself too seriously. Don't and one thing that we practice very rigidly, ironically, very rigidly, is that we don't have any set roles in the house. So there's not one person who does this. We all share responsibilities. So he does. So we just do whatever we're good at. So Tushanu cooks because I suck at it. See, I would not even eat my own food. मुझे बहुत गंदा है मेरा खाना. कभी किसी को भगाना हो तो मुझे contact करना. I will make food for
Make
them.
food.
Yeah.
Call them over a dinner party.
But he's a great cook, so he cooks. He does all the cooking, and I do it if he's sick and make him more sick. So something like that.
यार स्विगी ब्लिंकिट
I know,
टेंशन नहीं है.
हाँ, मैं अपने हाथों से बहुत अच्छे से ऑर्डर कर सकती हूँ खाना. But yeah, there's that, and like I do, like I'm very good at like doing electrical wiring, ये सब ये टीवी में लगा सकती हूँ आराम से बहुत सही
क्या
है.
बात
मैं yeah I can do all these boy activities.
Stereotypical guy things to
Yeah,
do.
like opening things with a screwdriver and all, like repairing geyser, ये
So
सब
you
मैं
manage
I
that.
manage all of that.
But yeah.
So we don't. So that is something we very actively practice. That we will not have any roles. That there's no watertight की.
जिसके साथ मन है मतलब whatever you feel like you can do.
Yeah.
That's also important. मतलब एक वो क्योंकि एक monotony नहीं आती when पता है कि यही करना है because at home also things are boring beyond a point. So like यार वही same routine follow करते रहो. So it's better to keep on shifting stuff.
Yeah, like it's funny because only in our house, in our entire building, okay, if the electrician comes, if Tushanu opens the door, he's like, wait, मैं मैडम को बुला रहा हूँ, आप उनसे बात करो, मुझे नहीं पता ये सब.
ये उल्टा है
Yeah,
बिल्कुल.
he's like, मुझे नहीं पता. And I remember once I was on a call or something, and the electrician had come for the fuse का कुछ करना था. And he kept knocking at my door, okay? शाना में क्या है? He's like, मुझे नहीं पता fuse कहाँ है? पूछ रहा है fuse box किधर है?
बता दो
Yeah.
Oh god.
So,
But those are the fun bits, I would say.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
Keeps our spark alive, literally.
Literally.
From the fuse box.
Right. ये अपने आप ही आता है. Okay. So when you're not working, when you're not creating content, when you're not doing anything, what is your perfect me time recipe?
Oh, there are a lot of things. There is. So I usually, now again a symptom of ADHD. So cling back to that is that I usually do two things at a time. So if I'm, one of my most relaxing activities is cleaning my bathroom while listening to an audiobook.
Okay.
Try
But that's
it.
also very मतलब like music की तरह
Yeah.
audio की तरह you can listen to it. So that's nice.
So either that or the second thing I do to really unwind is, so I'm a Buddha person in my heart. I love classical music. Okay, so I put classical music on in my car. I drive on khali roads.
And that's actually
That's
nice.
meditation for me. Because meditation I can't do it. I have too many people living in my head to concentrate. So ये करके, this is very meditative for me. Like I like to come back with classical music
nice.
to myself,
Come
my
back
senses.
to it.
Yeah.
Right. Very Monica of you.
Yeah.
No, not the classical music, the cleaning one.
Yeah.
Cleaning
I'm not a clean person, okay? Let me tell you, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बहुत neat हूँ. कभी-कभी आ जाता है.
Okay, कभी-कभी
हो जाता है, and then I'm like while listening to a book, and that's when I concentrate on that book the most while I'm doing like cleaning. I like hygiene, but
Right.
I'm very messy. I'm a very messy person.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about watching movies and TV series and stuff like that? You like doing that?
Oh
Okay.
yeah.
Any
Everything.
favorite
मैंने
series that you
अपनी
watch?
full time job छोड़ी है TV देखने के लिए literally. The amount of shows I have caught up with in the last year. Oh my
Wow.
god. Oh, it's a dream. I'm
Best
like,
one कौन सा था अभी तक? सबसे ज़्यादा मजा
अभी
किसमें आया?
तक Ted Lasso.
Ah.
Super. What a show.
Right, and very credited as well.
Yeah.
As we saw.
Absolutely.
Right.
Oh, so good. Have you seen it?
I haven't, but it's on my list.
Yeah, yeah. The list.
It's the list.
The list that
The
everybody
list.
puts shit in and never watches. I will take you.
I have so many shows on
I
that
have your
list.
number now. I will ask you. Have you?
You send me recommendations.
ठीक है.
You send me whichever show you watch, you like it, you send me recommendations. Pressure बढ़ेगा मेरे दिमाग में
ठीक
कि
है.
अब because I'm a binge watcher. I like sit one
Oh,
weekend,
yeah, yeah.
I'll binge watch 2 series.
Yeah. Shows are like my cocaine. I can't.
पता है क्या? That is also a very our generation thing. मतलब I also remember a time back like 15 years back when we used to actually wait for an entire day for another episode of a series or whatever we are watching.
God, yeah. Shit,
I cannot even imagine that now. Now there's like waiting 6 months for another season is a pain.
I swear. No,
Now
like I was watching Outlander. I've seen Outlander.
No, I haven't.
Right. Write it down.
List noted.
Yeah.
Noted already.
So the latest season of Outlander they split it into 2 parts. Okay, and now mid season finale हो गया और फिर अब आएगा Jan में and I'm like, how am I going to live?
Live for 6
What am I
months
going to
without
do
watching
with my
it.
life? Like, ये क्या बात हुई? This is not fair. Like season and this is very sudden ना. Like season change, चलो ठीक है, they give you a good enough
exactly.
cliffhanger, some closure. इसमें तो कोई closure
कोई है
नहीं
ही
होता.
नहीं पता ही है कि it's coming.
Yeah,
पता ही है कि you have to wait for it.
Damn it, this is not fair. ऐसे थोड़ी
No,
ना होता है.
I
ऐसे
know.
कौन करता है?
अरे this happened in this also
Stranger
this
Things.
नहीं the spin-off of How I Met Your Mother now How I Met Your Father.
Oh, yeah.
उसके भी like the recent season I think the third one second one I'm not sure उसमें भी वही हुआ they broke the season into 2 parts because they actually saw a massive
cool,
woe
man.
and finally a show with 24 episodes I was like thank god it has some content otherwise they come with 6 episodes and they're like done for the season.
Oh
I
yeah,
hate
I know, man. That's why I love Modern Family. They have so many episodes. I
so
love
many
them.
seasons I have watched it
Yeah.
and I love it. I'm a
I
fan.
love it. Oh
It
my
is
god.
the most feel good
It is
show
so wholesome.
ever.
I love them.
And so real. I mean, I haven't seen a more real family. मतलब Indian family जैसा यार. उसमें तीन
I know,
families हैं,
right?
तीनों Indian families
And
जैसी
the
हैं.
best part, and I was just discussing it with a friend of mine that this whole, they've turned these whole tropes around. Okay, like the stepmom, like the second wife,
right.
Gloria is amazing.
She is the
in
best
this.
mother, best homemaker,
Yeah.
best everything.
Exactly, like she literally is the glue that keeps the family together. Which
Exactly.
is like turned every
Every
all
stereotype
media around
against
its
it,
head.
right.
Exactly.
It is
Which
beautiful.
is so cool.
And मतलब every time they have a कलेश, I'm like ये तो मेरे घर की
I
कहानी है.
swear, I'm like, oh, ये तो
ये तो रोज होता है हमारे
preaching
साथ.
to the choir.
And to see and that is the thing a lot of times when you see these shows ना तो relatability factor उतना लगता नहीं है because of course there's a cultural difference there but this is one show I don't know what it is about it I don't feel that difference maybe because it's more family centric maybe the kind of characters that there are I feel it's very very relatable to any Indian person who's watching
Yeah, no, I just like it connects with you on a very human level, right? Because it's about their dynamics, it's
Right.
about their chemistry, it's like how you are with your parents or with
right
your siblings,
siblings or
whatever.
even with your extended family for that
Yeah,
matter.
family of Phil Dunphy, who's like the sweetest,
The sweetest person,
farthest from
the
criminal
donut,
ever.
the donut of humans.
Yeah, exactly. Even and still you can connect with both these families
Right.
because at a human level they're very similar. Yeah.
Very
Dynamics
similar.
are very
And it's real. It's not ki everyone is all the time happy or everyone is all the time fighting. It's very real. You'll have a fight with your extended family, but next day उन्हीं के घर बैठ के lunch भी कर रहे होगे.
Exactly. वही
It's very nice.
कुछ ऐसे बाहर जाने से पहले लड़ाई करते हैं ना
हर
every
चीज-
time. Oh my god, every time.
Every
Yeah.
single time कुछ ना कुछ कांड होता ही है बाहर जाने से पहले, and that is how that is.
Yeah.
So we are, you know, together promoting Modern Family, guys.
I
Watch
know,
it.
man.
देखो
No,
बहुत
and the
प्यारा
best,
show
the
है.
best when you're like silent in the car while going, and the moment you reach there, and the moment you meet the first relative, everything is gone.
सब
Forgotten.
गया. Everyone is happy. Everyone is chill. Nobody knows the storm that was
Yeah,
at home.
exactly.
And then the silence post the storm in the car.
Yeah. Oh my god. But after that, I think on the way back, it's mostly fine.
Yeah,
because
it's
सब लोग
mostly
भूल जाते
exactly
हैं.
or bitching about relatives here and there.
Yeah.
That's every family.
That's what brings us together.
That's gossiping where we started.
Exactly. Gossiping led to human evolution. Okay, let me tell you, so it's very important.
बहुत ज़रूरी है, बहुत ज़रूरी है. It was great talking to you, Arushi. बहुत मजा आया. I felt really relatable to you. I don't know why. है ना? बहुत chill था, and that is where we
Oh, yeah,
started.
exactly.
That is where we started. Conversation coming a full
Yeah, I
circle.
brought it us. I am
Right.
genuinely chill. I'm so happy I've achieved this in life.
Yeah.
More than any of my achievements, this is my favorite one. That I have chilled. For the
Actually,
last
बहुत
few months.
बहुत important है. The kind of achievements we actually don't have in our mind, but it's very important to have it.
Yeah. So yeah,
It was-
take care of mental
yes,
health, chill,
बहुत
self-care,
important है.
self-love, all of that. Do
All
it.
of-
That's my advice.
सब कुछ लो
Yeah.
और करो.
Take a step back.
Yes. Thank you so much for coming on the show.
Thank
It
you
was
for
so nice
having
having
me.
you.
It was awesome.
All my pleasure. Keep listening to Bollywood Binge and Beyond on ABP Live podcasts.